Model, 66-plate Fiat Fiorino SX 1.3 Multijet diesel €80 needs turbo starts runs no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 117436. MOT, the 7th of May 2025. Engine, 1248 cc 225A200A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.